For enterprise architects and project managers, the move from SAP process orchestration to Boomi is often viewed as a high-risk, labor-intensive journey. The biggest bottleneck? Translating complex SAP message mappings into Boomi native logic. Traditionally, this requires niche experts from both ecosystems to sit together for weeks, manually deciphering legacy logic. The Boomi Migration Assistant changes that. It is an intelligent analysis engine designed to bridge the gap between SAP's unique data structures and Boomi's streamlined architecture. By automating the discovery phase, we don't just move data, we preserve business logic while ensuring every integration follows your organization's approved best practices. Let's look at the Map Helper tool in action. The process begins with simplicity. You provide the tool with your existing SAP mapping files. There is no need for manual data preparation or complex exports. The assistant is built to interpret these files in their raw state. To increase the precision of the recommendations, you can also upload your existing data schemas. This allows the tool to provide a deeper level of context, ensuring the migration is as accurate as possible from day one. As the analysis runs, the assistant isn't just reading code, it's identifying patterns. It scans the legacy logic to find complex SAP-specific functions and cross-references them against your library of Boomi proven solutions. This stage eliminates the guesswork for your developers. Instead of reinventing the wheel for every interface, the tool identifies the most efficient way to rebuild the logic within the Boomi platform. In seconds, the analysis is complete. You are presented with a summary of the patterns detected. The output is a structured migration workbook. The first sheet is the mapping specification. This is your developer's blueprint. It breaks down every single field and translates the legacy logic into clear Boomi equivalent instructions. By providing this level of detail up front, you reduce the time spent in the build phase and virtually eliminate the risk of translation errors during development. The second sheet is the migration strategy. This isn't a generic template. It is a tailored roadmap generated specifically for this interface. It helps project managers estimate effort more accurately and helps architects ensure that the migration aligns with the broader digital transformation goals. Finally, the reference processes sheet acts as your quality assurance guide. It documents every detected pattern and points to the proven Boomi implementation approach. This ensures consistency across your entire migration program. Whether you're migrating 10 interfaces or 1,000, the Boomi Migration Assistant ensures they are all built to the same high standard, reducing long-term maintenance costs and accelerating your time to value. Code Analyzer. SAP migrations often stall due to legacy custom code, UDFs, Java transformations, or XSLT written by developers who have long since left the organization. The Boomi Migration Assistant solves this with the Code Analyzer, a specialist AI tool built for this exact challenge. As a standalone tool, the Code Analyzer requires no prior setup or mapping files. Simply paste your custom code, including the full field mapping logic and function chains, as a single input. Unlike traditional tools, it reasons about the entire field as one coherent unit rather than function by function. This is a vital distinction. By understanding the intent of a full chain, the analyzer recommends the most efficient Boomi architecture, preventing the over-engineered processes that result from individual function translation. Structured output. The response is immediate and structured. The assistant identifies the SAP logic, summarizes the approach, and provides a step-by-step Boomi implementation guide, detailing specific shapes, scripts, and configuration points. Crucially, it flags behavioral differences between SAP and Boomi that your team must test. Each analysis is downloadable, transforming undocumented legacy code into a structured knowledge base of implementation guides. Component Builder. Once analysis is complete, the Component Builder accelerates the build phase. It takes your architect's approved patterns, including configurations and naming conventions, and makes them available to every developer through a simple conversation. The developer describes their needs in plain language, and the assistant asks targeted questions to identify the correct template and gather specific values like system names and folder locations. There is no ambiguity. The assistant only proceeds once it has everything it needs. After a full preview, the component is created directly in your Boomi account. This eliminates manual XML editing and configuration drift, ensuring components are built correctly the first time. The bulk generator for large-scale migrations. The bulk generator automates component creation. Simply upload your interface catalog, a list of every integration in scope, and the tool instantly matches each row to an approved template using a deterministic lookup. There are no ambiguous AI confidence scores. Here, each interface either matches a template or it doesn't, ensuring architects retain full control. You can review all results, verify Git references, and exclude specific interfaces before anything is created. Once confirmed, the bulk generator creates all match components in controlled batches. An automated results workbook provides your project manager with a complete audit trail. What used to take weeks for hundreds of interfaces now takes minutes. Business value in Boomi AI. In real terms, SAP migrations spend up to 70% of their budget on analysis and design. The Boomi Migration Assistant slashes this cost, compressing months of analysis into weeks. You may be familiar with Boomi's native AI capabilities within Atomsphere. The Migration Assistant is complementary, not competing. While Boomi AI helps you build faster once you're inside the platform, the Migration Assistant tells you what to build and why before you even open Atomsphere. It decodes the SAP side logic that platform tools cannot see. Together, they ensure your developers arrive at the build phase with a complete specification in hand. The result is a migration that is faster at every stage. Conclusion: the Boomi Migration Assistant is an integrated program accelerator. From decoding legacy logic to enforcing standards and scaling delivery, it compresses year-long timelines into a fraction of the time, all while increasing quality and reducing risk. Your migration accelerated.